So now we learned how to read those three notes. And I also want you to learn the difference between those. Sometimes you see black inside and the stem going down. Sometimes you see white circle and stem going down. And the other one is a circle. Looks like this, but it has dot. And the last one is just circle. Those indicates counts. The circle, the black circle with a stem, that's one count. We call it quarter note. White circle with a stem, it's two counts. You want to hold the two counts. Those are called half note. And the dotted half note is three count. And the last one, I showed that in the previous video clip, that's four counts. That's called the whole note. So I am going to play this music. So it's one count. So it goes like this. On C, 1, 2.